Hi everyone, today we'll create 3 high authority to follow backlinks. Let's start with this website. DR of this website is 80, 3.9 million backlinks, 5.1k linking websites. Go to this website. Start my page. Fill up your details. Now you can change your page link here. And select your expertise. Now I'll change it to content and branding. Next. If it's not working, you click on skip for now. Pick your services and then next. Okay, our account is ready now. This is our page link. Now go to edit profile. Now go to edit profile and add your bio and add your website address or page address. You can add multiple links. Save changes. Okay, I have to add intro. I'll add my website name. Save changes. Okay, now I think we should remove these cards. Click on this highlight button and click here and then add your page address. Add highlight. And you will get one extra backlink. Now go to services and from here you can you delete all the services one by one. You can exclude it at the beginning, but I picked that was a mistake. No problem, we can remove it from here. Now go home and let's check our page. Okay, this is our page and we have 3 backlinks here. All of them are do follow. You can check here, do follow backlinks. So this is our first website. Now let's talk about our second website. This is our second website and the DR of this website is 91, 3.7 million backlinks and 39k linking websites. Go to this website. Start free and fill up your details. Okay, it's not accepting temporary emails. I'll use Gmail. Sign up. Set manually. Add any temporary number. Finish. This is our dashboard. Now go to your profile. Now go to edit profile and add bio. Now you have option here to add your website address. Save. I'll add my profile image. Close this window. Now go to your brand. Select your industry. Add bio. And I'll add profile image and banner. Go down. And now here you have option to add your website address. You can see here we can add more than one link. But for me, one enough. And then save. Open your page. Now here you can see this is my backlink. And here's one more. Actually, both of them are same. This one and this one. And our second backlink is here. URL is cleaner. That's it. This is our second website. Now let's talk about our third website. And DR of this website is 73, 833K backlinks, 8.8K linking websites. Go to this website. It's in Chinese language, translate it to English, and then log in. Now click on this link and fill up your details. Now here account number means username. Now register. Now go to your email and confirm the link. Now you can see our account is confirmed. Log in again. This is our profile. Go to edit profile, add your details. I'll add my page URL and then my bio. Go down and save it. Okay, we have more than 100 characters. We'll remove some of them. Okay, update complete. I'll add profile image. After that, go to this link and you'll find your backlink here, and it's do follow. Let's check. So do follow backlink. This is also a do follow backlink. That's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you don't see your backlink, re-edit your profile and save it and refresh the page, and you will see your backlink there. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. In our next video, we'll bring some more topics related to SEO and tips and backlinks. Till then, see you and take care.